Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you regarding wrap, tooltip and limit functions. So before doing code, let's go to our admin panel, and here is our data table for posts. And here in this content section we can see that the records are shown in one line, which is huge, and this doesn't look good. For that we can apply a wrap function. So let's go to our code and apply here in this public static function table function. On the content column we can add wrap function and go to our data table and refresh it. This has wrapped our content data. Although this doesn't look good, for this I have another solution to show you. We can use tooltip and limit function. That will look better than this wrap functionalities. So let's go to our code and remove this wrap function and apply limit function and give a value. Let's just apply with 30 letters and go to our data table and refresh it. This has limited the letter count for our content column. So here in this case we can't see the whole data. For this we can apply tooltip. So let's go to our code and apply another function. Name is tooltip, and here you can add any string that will be shown as a tooltip. So let's I have added just this line, and let's go to our data table and refresh it. Here in the content section, if we hover over this record, this will show tooltip. So now we will try to show the real content data on tooltip. For this, let's go to our code and apply this function. We will type something like this, fn, and the record in here, and return type will be string. Let's remove the comma. We will type something like this inside this tooltip function. Actually this will return the return our content data on tooltip. This is how we will write this function. So let's go to the data table and refresh it, and let's go to our content section, and if we hover over our records, this will show us the full content data on tooltip. Let's check again. Okay, this is working. So this is how we can apply tooltip, limit and wrap function. Thank you.